Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make HD videos in CapCut. First, open CapCut and import your video. Drag it into the timeline. Next, go to the Effects tab, then click on Video Effects. Search for the comic filter and apply this filter to your entire video by expanding it across the timeline. Now, go back to the Effects section, but this time, search for the Blur filter. Choose the blur filter and apply it to the entire video as well. Once these filters are applied, export your video. After exporting, remove the comic filter from your project. Then, again, go to the video filter and search for neon filter. Apply it to the entire video as well and export your video. After exporting, remove both the neon and blur filters from your project. Then, import both of the videos you just exported as an overlay into CapCut. Select the video and go to the video section. Here, find the blend or splice option. Click on it and select Color Burn. Adjust the intensity to around 35. Now, select the second overlay. Go into the splice option, select Color Dodge here and set the opacity to around 65. Next, we need to add some custom adjustments. Go to the Adjust tab and make the following changes. Set the brightness to 3, contrast to 20, sharpness to 20, shadows to -3, and highlights to 25. Apply these settings to your video. That's it, guys. Your video should now be in HD quality. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions about CapCut, or if you want me to create a tutorial on something specific, please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.